North Korea has done it again. Its state media has said that the pariah nation has fired a newly developed anti-aircraft missile. According to the state media, the anti-aircraft missile had quote-unquote a remarkable combat performance and the weapon has twin radar controls and other new technologies. North Korea's recent tests, this was the fourth one test fired in September, indicate that it is ramping up its weapons program. And this is another show of strength by North Korea. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un continues to believe that repeated offers of direct diplomatic talks by the US are merely a part of a deceptive plot. North Korea says that this plot is designed to distract from America's ongoing hostile policy towards Pyongyang.
우리가 구들이 보유하고 있거나 개발하고 있는 것과 동등한 무기 체계를 개발, 시험, 제작, 보유하는 것은 그 누구도 부정할 수 없는 정당한 권리입니다.
So, how potent North Korea's arsenal really is? The ballistic missiles it possesses can hit the US mainland. That is a range of 10,000 kilometers, which is a source of tension between Washington and Pyongyang. The Hwasong-12 missile has a range of 4,500 kilometers and it brings US military bases on the Pacific island of Guam within striking distance. While the Hwasong-14 missile has a range of between 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers, which means it can fly as far as to New York. World powers have imposed tough economic and financial sanctions on North Korea to force it to disinfect its nuclear arsenal. But despite international sanctions, North Korea continues to advance its nuclear and ballistic missile programs with the help of an expanding array of illicit financial networks. According to the UN, there is enough evidence to suggest that active nuclear production is ongoing. The Yongbyon Nuclear Scientific Research Center encompasses various facilities central to North Korea's nuclear weapons program. This includes the construction of a light water reactor, operations of a uranium dioxide production building, and a 5 megawatt electrical reactor capable of producing 7 kilograms of plutonium annually. The report further said that North Korea appeared to be maintaining access to the Punggye-ri test site, where it claimed to have destroyed the testing tunnels in 2018. North Korea is a tiny country isolated from the world, but has surprisingly been able to draw on global resources. The funds come from these sources. China. About 3/4 of North Korea's trade is with its communist neighbor China. Overseas slave labor. Forced North Korean laborers in China and Russia give Pyongyang desperately needed cash. Weapon sales. Experts say the North Korean economy is basically being run by its arms deals. North Korea continues to trade in arms and related material, exploiting markets and procurement services in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Drugs. North Korea has a large illicit drug industry. Samples of North Korean pirated Viagra that looks very authentic. This has been a significant source of hard currency. North Korea's defiance has been continuing for decades now and earned the infamous title of a pariah state. It unilaterally withdrew from the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons or NPT in January 2003. And Pyongyang is not a party to the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty or CTBT. Despite being a state party to the Biological and Toxin Weapons Convention and Geneva Protocol, evidence suggests North Korea could be maintaining an offensive biological weapons program.